Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending endless hours searching for the perfect visuals for your projects? Meet Notioly, the ultimate collection of over 400 Notion-style illustrations designed to make your creative work easier and faster. These fully customizable SVG files let you tweak every detail to match your project's needs. With monthly updates adding fresh designs, Notioly keeps your collection ahead of the game. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, this resource is a game changer. Stay tuned as we dive into why the Notioly Lifetime Deal is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their designs. What is Notioly? Notioly is a premium collection of over 400 Notion-style illustrations designed to enhance your creative projects. These illustrations are fully customizable and available in high-resolution SVG and PNG formats, making them perfect for graphic designers, marketers, and web developers. Notioly stands out by offering monthly updates, so your library keeps growing with fresh designs. Its vector files are scalable and editable, ensuring flexibility for any project size or style. Whether you're creating presentations, websites, or marketing campaigns, Notioly saves time while delivering professional-grade visuals. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to take their designs to the next level. Act now for unmatched lifetime deals on AppSumo. The Notioly Lifetime Deal is your ticket to elevating your design game without breaking the bank. For just a one-time payment of $29, you gain lifetime access to over 400 high-resolution Notion-style illustrations, complete with monthly updates. No subscriptions, no recurring costs, just endless possibilities for your projects. Why this deal is a steal? Save big. Originally priced at $39, you're getting it for $29, a 26% discount. Lifetime updates. Enjoy fresh designs every month at no extra cost. One-time payment. Pay once, use forever. 5 key features of Notioly. 400 plus high-resolution illustrations. A massive collection of Notion-style visuals at your fingertips. Customizable vector files. Fully scalable and editable SVG files for ultimate flexibility. Monthly updates. New designs added every month, ensuring your collection stays fresh. Multiple file formats. Access both SVG and PNG formats to suit your workflow. GDPR compliant. Designed with privacy in mind, so you can use it worry-free. Who can benefit from Notioly? Graphic designers, marketers, web designers, content creators, startups, freelancers, educators. If you fall into any of these categories or know someone who does, Notioly is your perfect match. Take an extra 10% off on AppSumo offers. Love saving big? Here's how you can grab an extra 10% off on the Notioly Lifetime Deal through AppSumo. It's a simple process that stacks additional savings on top of an already unbeatable offer. How to get the extra discount? Head to AppSumo's Notioly Deal page. Create an account using your email address. Check for exclusive 10% off promotions. Use the discount code at checkout. Enjoy unbeatable savings on this lifetime design deal. Act now before it's gone. Reviews on Notioly. Are you ready to transform your design projects with Notioly? This lifetime deal is a game changer, offering unmatched value for creatives of all kinds. So, what are you waiting for? Check the description, explore the features, and grab your Notioly Lifetime Deal today before it's gone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tools and tips. Let's create something amazing together.